How's it going, guys? My name is Eclipse, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add clickable links to your YouTube videos. So guys, after you've uploaded your video, you can edit it to add like cards and outro things, like things on your outro and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to do that using this simple 30-second video of just simply this outro that I released a couple weeks ago, if you want to check that out. And so one of the things you can add is cards, and what these do is, let me just pause this for a second. What these do is, like, it comes up in the corner and people can click on it, and it has suggested videos, stuff like that. You can suggest channels, videos, or playlists, polls, or links, which is not enabled for me. But so if you click on video, as you can see, you can simply select the video, any of your ones, and you can change the URL or text or whatever text you want to put here, and then you can also add your own text as well. And that is how you add cards. And then if you want to also add like your end screen, right? So this is your outro. This is like, if you had this outro template, this is what it would be like. This is what it would be like on the video, right? So if you play it, you can only add end screen stuff in the last 10 seconds of your video, which is why it pushes it up to 20 seconds. But normally you would have like a video before this, so it wouldn't be a problem. So what you want to do is go to video or playlist, and then I choose a video just because it's like, then I can choose which one I want to put in. I simply drag it into the box where I want it, and I resize it by dragging in the corner, so like that, so that we have video, and I'll do another one like this, so that we have two videos there, and when someone watches the video, they will be able to click on these links, and it'll take them to the video. And then you can also where is it? You can also add a subscribe link as well, like this. And as you can see, with this outro, it doesn't work. You would put your own logo in, like in Photoshop on this. Well, this is basically what you do. Like, you see, you put it up there, or whatever. You put it wherever you want, like that. And just say you'd have it in the middle of your thing. Like, you would obviously design it like to fit the logo. But I prefer not to have the logo in my outro. Just because I don't know. I just don't like it. But that is how you use the end screen in Annotations. So guys, that is it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you to understand how you add end screen and links to your videos, and how to add cards to your videos. If you're going to use this info, please drop a like on this video, as it will really help the video out, and maybe even consider subscribing for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.